Ngayong araw ay dadalhin ko kayo sa Sasyon Asian Cuisine Parañaque Branch. They are only 5 minutes away from Lianas Mall and you can go there by riding a tricycle or pwede din namang lakarin. They are located at the second floor of the building and nakapost ang house rules sa right side of the wall upstairs. Kung may kasama namang bata ay merong height measurement beside the door since child below 3 feet are free. Nang makapili na kami ng upuan ay meron ding nakalagay na house rules sa table at binigyan na din kami ng order form para sa chicken, pork, and beef selections. While waiting sa meat, kumuha na kami ng other food and side dishes. Meron silang shitail mushroom, carrots, udon noodles, pechay bagyo, cheese, crab sticks, ramen noodles, bean sprouts, lobster balls, onion leeks, pickled radish and cucumber, and their very own Szechuan kimchi and marbled potatoes. They also have variety of sauces available including their original Szechuan sauce. O diba, meat and side dishes pa lang ay sulit na ang $3.99 mo. Maliban dyan, meron pa silang unlimited sushi na sobrang nagustuhan ni Mama.
Yummy!
At di pa dyan natatapos ang food available dahil meron pang chicken karagi, sweet soy chicken wings, beef and pork bulgogi, stir-fry fish cake, and japchae. For rice lovers, don't worry kasi meron din silang plain and fried rice. They also have salad section and ikaw ang bahala mag-mix the way you like it. Grabe, nalula kami sa food dahil meron pa silang unlimited takoyaki. Wow, look at that. Moving on to the dessert, they have buko pandan jelly and mango. For the drinks, they have water, red iced tea, and unlimited pearl for taro and Okinawa milk tea. Sakto, pagkatapos namin kumuha ng mga side dish, ay dumating na ang meat. Nagluto na kami at kumain for the next 2 hours. Yun lamang po. See you sa next food trip. Bye!
Sang, happy birthday, Sang!
Layo mo, tapos
Happy birthday, Sang!
Wait lang. Yeah.